So this is the whole process that I would normally go through when creating a Los de Ahí song. You go to Google Trends and you want to see what's trending now, because I like to make songs about stuff that is trending, because that's when you might hit with something that people will click on. So right now, here in the US at least, there's really not much. So then I go over to Mexico, see if there's anything there. Not much going on there. So since none of that is really doing much for me, I'll just start spitballing ideas. Like, what do I want to create a song about? What would make for a good Tejano song? And sometimes the ideas are silly. Sometimes the ideas are dumb. And sometimes I'll just take like an old song, like for instance, when I did El Hijo de Gabino Barrera, you take the epic Gabino Barrera song and then you just kind of like modify it and say, so I want to create the song based on that song, but this is about his son coming back to take vengeance on his father's killers, stuff like that. So since I can't really find anything on there, I'm gonna go over here. The AI generator that I like to use is called AISongGenerator.io. It's not something most people have heard of. It's just one that I found back in the day. Eventually, I think I'm going to just move everything over to Suno, but I still have quite a few credits over here, so I'm going to just keep working there. So we'll come up with an idea, tell it to generate AI song lyrics. I like to use GPT 5.2, even though it cost me a credit. Yeah, it's okay. I got lots of credits. So I'm going to tell it to create a Tejano, Conjunto, Norteño song about waking up in the morning and enjoying the start of the day with coffee and looking outside at the birds and thinking about how great life is. Lyrics should be in Spanish with male vocals. The song should be cheerful and inspiring and put a smile on your face. So then we're going to go ahead and generate it. And this AI song generator will just kind of create the whole thing here. So, Café al Amanecer is what it came up with. And you'll see over here it comes up with verses, pre-chorus, chorus. It'll add a bridge to it and everything. So I like to look at everything, make sure all of the Spanish makes sense. Yeah, looks good. Looks good. Looks good. Looks good. So then we're going to generate that. And while it's doing that, I will go over to ChatGPT and have it create a 16:9 cartoon image of a Tejano waking up in the morning, drinking his coffee, and enjoying the birds outside to start the day. I like to tell it no text on the image because lately it's been using a lot of text on there and sometimes it just doesn't make any sense. And it's going to go ahead and create it, so it takes a little bit of time. So while the AI song generator over here is creating the song, the image stuff can go ahead and do its thing. And it just takes it a little bit. So while that's opening up, I will go over to Spectre, which is what I use to create the lyric video. or just the videos. I don't put the lyrics in there usually, unless I'm messing around. Then I might do something like that. So we'll create a new video, and I tend to like the morning dew one, so it's right here. So we're going to keep that there for now. Created that scene. Look at that beautiful scene that it created. I like it, so I think we're going to download that. AI song generator is still working. And so what we do, so it's going to create 2 songs, right? So we're going to go ahead and listen to both of them once they get created. And it's just taking it a good little while, so let's see here. I really like that image that it created, so that's really nice. You'll find that these song generators can be pretty slow sometimes. I mean, the songs have already started producing. Like, if you click on play, it's going to be there. So we're going to listen to the first one, Café al Amanecer. I can already tell you I don't like that one. Nope. So here's what happened. So you see over here on styles, it put folk, happy, uplifting, upbeat, male vocal. It did not put Tejano, Conjunto, Norteño. So we're going to go ahead and delete these 2 songs. That is not what I wanted. So see, this is where the process of being familiar with music and creating music comes in handy, because some people are going to create a song. If they don't know anything about music, they're just going to let it go. And they'll be like, whatever, so I don't know anything, so I'm just going to create it. So now we put in the right stuff here. Let's generate it again. Hope for the best. And see what it comes up with. So while that's going, while it says waiting, I can't click on it, but eventually I'll be able to click on it and see what it has created. So we can go back over here to Spectre. We can put in the image at least that ChatGPT came up with. And you can see there how we can just do that. Under text, list the AI. And then we're gonna get the song information, Café al Amanecer. Put that in there. I like to change the text to where it's bold, a little more noticeable. There we go. And now, since we're still waiting on the audio, we're gonna go back, see how it's going. Let's listen to this one while it's still generating. See, that's more like what we're going for.
Sale el sol por la ventana, me despierta su color. La cafetera cantando, me saluda con su olor.
That's pretty good. I don't know that that's going to be the one that we're going to go ahead and pick in the end. Let's see what the other one sounds like.
Me pongo botas despacio.
That one here, so let's go to this one.
Sale el sol por la ventana, me despierta su color. La cafetera cantando me saluda con su olor. Me pongo botas despacio, respiro paz y calor. Otro día me sonríe como un viejo acordeón. Abro el cielo de mi casa, se me quita el mal sabor cuando escucho a los pájaros ensayando su canción. Café al amanecer, corazón contento, la vida.
I don't know if I like either one of them. Let's go back.
Sale el sol por la ventana, me despierta su color. La cafetera cantando
So I think that's the one that we're going to go ahead and use. So we're going to download that. Download it as a WAV file, so that's the highest that we've got. And so now, something that I like to do, I don't think it's absolutely necessary, but it's something I like to do, is I'll run it through Audacity and I will just expand the volume to max, where it's not going to clip or anything. And this is just so people can really listen to it, and it'll sound, as far as volume comparison to other music, it'll sound right. It won't sound so soft, because sometimes these generators will create it softer. And so then we go into Spectre after we've done all the manipulating in Audacity and everything, and we can put the audio in there. And literally, once it's like that, it is ready to go. You would just go to export video, and then with Spectre, if you don't do the paid version of it, you get like 1 credit per day, and so you can go ahead and do it that way. And that's really the whole process. Then you go over to YouTube, you upload it, and you are ready to go, my friend. I hope you enjoyed this little walkthrough of how I go through the whole process of creating a song. And yeah, you guys have any questions or comments, or want to just say what slop it is, go for it. Just drop a comment. And I will see y'all later. Thanks for watching this video.